I turned the corner on East 89th Street and I saw this majestic 1925 pre-war building, and at the end of the street was Central Park, and I knew this is it. Hi, I'm Marcy. Today we're at my apartment at 17 East 89th Street, apartment 9C. In moving into this apartment, the renovation was a little bit extensive, but the most important thing was maintaining the natural integrity and feeling that this apartment emanated. Being a costume designer, fashion designer, something that was really important to me in the renovation process were the details. To have the ceilings speak, to have the hardwood floors have a herringbone design, to having hardware and acid mirrors. It was about the details, because all those details make this apartment truly special and unique. The sun seeps into this apartment in so many unique ways, especially in the different seasons of the year. My favorite is the late fall and winter, as the sun is further away, but the light is soft and bright with an illuminating glow all over. It's just spectacular. My favorite room in this apartment has got to be the powder room. After looking at so many pre-war apartments, there's no powder rooms. So we built our own little jewel. And in that little jewel, when you open the door, you're filled with just glamour and excitement, from the volcanic walls to the custom tasseled lights. You just feel like you're in your own little jewel box. It's really special. Any new owner of this apartment will know that they are getting a truly unique, one-of-a-kind apartment on the Upper East Side of New York City.